Up. O, isi-shake. Mataas, mataas, mataas. O, shake, 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 shake. Pag sinabing sit down, you will sit down. O, sit down. Sit down. Okay, pag sinabing stand up, we will stand up. Okay, stand up. Pag sinabi ni Kuya Arnold, turn around, iikot. Okay, very good. Iikot. Pag sinabi nga ulit ni Kuya Arnold na sit down, magsisit down. Pag sinabing stand up, we will stand up. Pag sinabing turn around, you will turn around, okay? Up, sit down, stand up, turn around, turn around, turn around, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, turn around, turn around. How about group yourself in two? Wala pa. Wala. Turn around, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up. How about group yourself in two? 3. Ayun. Sino? Tatlo lang ha? Tatlo. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Very good to. Sino yung kasawak mo? Etong dalawa. Upo muna kayo. Pinapigilan. Up, down. Turn around. Ikot. Turn around. How about group yourself in two? Move backward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Mamaya pa. Wait lang. Dito muna. Sabi niya, me. Dito. Group yourself in two. Wala pa. Ganyan. 5. Ayan, isa lang ang dilipat. Ang bait naman! Nakakatuwa! Okay, let's form a big circle again, guys. Let's form a big circle. Alam! Okay. Okay, isang malaking bilog ulit ha. Isang malaking bilog. Okay? Hawak kamay. Usad tayo dito sa gitna. Ayan. Isang malaking bilog, atras. Baba ang kamay. Move backward pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pag sinabi ni Kuya Arnold, shake your hands up, you will shake your hands up. Okay, ang hinahanap lang ni Ronald McDonald ay isa lang, okay? Okay, shake your hands up. Shake, sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Turn around. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Turn around. Turn around. How about group yourself in two? Wait lang. Huwag mo na maglapit. Magkadikit na ako kayo eh. Okay, group yourself in two. Ayan. Paano ba yan? Hawakan kay Kuya. Tayo na lang dalawa. Upo na kayong 4. Upo na kayo. Sige na, upo na. Sit down na doon. Sit down. Uulitin ko po, hindi niyo po ako narinig. Ang hinahanap po ni Ronald McDonald ay isa lang na mananalo. Eto po, baby. Congrats! Nasaan yung dalawa pa? Group yourself in two! Wala pa nga. Wait lang. 4! Bibilang ko na si Kuya Arnold ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good.